Hello everybody, my name is Sayasmi Gupta. I'm 8 years old. I'm the co-founder of 10xcoderkids.com and today we are going to discuss about data types in Python. So without any delay, let's get started. Oh sorry. So there are 14 data types in Python. The names of 14 data types are string, int, float, complex, list, tuple, range, dict, set, frozen set, bool, byte, byte array, and memory view. But today we are only going to discuss about string, int, float, list, and bool. Okay, 5 data types. So, what is string? So string is like inside whatever is inside the code will be converted into string. Like when I've written the codes, whatever value I will write inside it will be converted into the data type string. Okay. So we have written x is equals to hello world and print x. So it will print hello world and then print type x. What does this mean? It means that print type, that what is the data type of value x. The like what value we have given to x, which is hello world, what type of data type is it? Okay, it is a string data type. So hello world and string. I'm sure you're cleared with the data type string. Now let's go on int. So what is int data type? Int data type is which stores numbers value. For example, I've given here 20. So I can write here any type of number I want. So like it will print this also, and it can print like 3 also. Okay. Oh sorry. So it will print 283 and it's int. The data type is int. So int. So I'm sure your doubts and you're cleared with int. Now float is which stores decimal numbers value. 20.5 is the decimal number. So I've given here 20.5, which is the value of x, and said print x. So it will print 20.5 and print type x. As it's a decimal number, it's float data type. So float will be printed. Okay. Now list. This is the last which we are going to discuss. I think so. So, what is list? So, list is like which can store as many values we want to give. As this is an example, I'm giving you an example. I have given only 3 values. But it's not like that if I have given 3 values, then you will also give 3 values and you will be making so many lists. So you can make only one list and in it as much as values you want in it. Okay. So x is equals to apple, banana and cherry. Print x. So it will print apple, banana and cherry. If I give here apple. Okay, and give here another time cherry. Okay, so so it will print apple, apple, cherry, cherry. See? Apple, apple, cherry, cherry. Okay, and then print type X. This is list type, so it will print list. Yeah. So guys, there is complex, tuple, range, baked, set, frozen set. Oh sorry, I forgot to tell you about bool. Sorry. So what is bool? Whenever you want to like print bool, just like true or false, just like that, then you will always have to give an capital letter over here. If you give a small letter over here, so it will bring an error. See? And same as the, if I give a false, wait, I will have to do false. Okay, so another error. See? And if I write here in capital false, then it will not bring an error. It will print false, and this is a boolean type. So false bool. See? And same as true. I write here. Oh wait. So it will print true and class bool. Yeah. So now, so string str. We can say this str. We can say str, or we can say string. We can say int. So for the number, we can say int or integer. Okay. For let's see, and for boolean, I mean boolean. Okay. So no. So guys, I hope you understood whatever I explained you. And if any doubts, just comment me, or like call me, or like if you want to learn Python or any language like JavaScript, HTML, CSS, go at 10xcoderkids.com, and just call, try to contact us. Okay, so guys, I hope you liked the video, and please subscribe, share, and like. Bye guys. Bye. I hope you liked the video. Bye bye. Bye.